Now let's talk about angles. Angle is formed by rotating a ray around its endpoint. This endpoint is what we call the vertex. The ray in its initial position is what we call the initial side. And the ray in its location after the rotation is what we call the terminal side. So this is our terminal side. So this is the initial side. And this is the terminal side. Now, if the rotation of the terminal side is counterclockwise, the angle is positive. So this measures positive 569 degrees. But if the rotation of the terminal side is clockwise, the angle is negative. So just like this, the angle measures negative 820 degrees. An angle is in standard position if its vertex is at the origin of the Cartesian coordinate plane and the initial side is along the positive x-axis. If the initial side is along with the positive x-axis and the vertex is at the origin, then the angle is in the standard position. Now let's talk about the types of angles. One is the acute angle, an angle whose measures is between 0 to 90 degrees. Next is the right angle, an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. Next is the obtuse angle, an angle that measures between 90 and 180 degrees. Next is a straight angle, an angle that is exactly 180 degrees. Next is reflex angle, an angle that measures between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Last is the full angle, an angle that is exactly 360 degrees or 1 revolution. Now let's talk about complementary angles. Two positive angles are complementary angles if the sum of the measures of the angles is equal to 90 degrees. So for example, we have this angle PQR whose measure is 81 degrees and angle JKL whose measure is 9 degrees. 81 plus 9 is equal to 90. So therefore, these two angles are complementary angles. Another, let's say this angle Q measures 65 degrees and angle K measures 25 degrees. 65 plus 25 is 90. So therefore, angle Q and angle K are complementary angles. Now, let's talk about supplementary angles. Two positive angles are supplementary angles if the sum of the measures of angles is 180 degrees. So let's have an example. So suppose angle Q measures 155 degrees and angle K measures 120. Angle K measures 25 degrees. 155 plus 25 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, these two angles are supplementary angles. Another, suppose angle K is 45 degrees and angle Q is 135 degrees. 135 plus 45 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, these two angles are supplementary angles. So let's have this example number 1. For each angle, find the measures, if possible, of its complement and supplement. So let's start with letter A. So letter A, the theta, that is the measure of the angle, is equal to 40 degrees. So what is its complement, if there is, and what is its supplement? So the complement, the sum must be equal to 90, and the supplement, the sum must be equal to 180 degrees. So we have here 90 minus 40, this is our theta, is equal now to 50. So the supplement or the complement of 40 is 50 degrees. Now how about its supplement? So the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So just subtract here the theta, which is equal to 40. So we have 140 degrees. The supplement of 40 degrees is 140 degrees. The complement of 40 degrees is 50 degrees. So just subtract the theta to 90 to get the complement. Just subtract the theta to 180 to get the supplement. So let's have this letter B, which is equal, the theta is equal to 125 degrees. So we have this 90 minus the theta, which is 125. Now, this will result to negative. So it means that there is no, or it has no complement. So the 125 degree has no complement. So how about supplement? So 180 minus 125. So we have is equal to 55 degrees. So therefore, the supplement of 125 degree is 55 degrees. Thank you.